All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the weather pros and responding fire. We're going to do a quick update here, and why we're doing the quick update is there is a marginal risk, and I would say it's pushed to a slight risk of severe thunderstorms this afternoon. As you'll see on this thing, we do have a line of thunderstorms developing out here in West Virginia. This is going to move to the southeast, so this is going to move generically. I'll show you in this route. Basically, in this route. Now, out of front of it, you're seeing storms popping also here, some out here towards Danville. Because of the heating of the day, the dew points in the 60s and 70s, and you got this boundary to the west, and that allows you to get stronger storms to occur. So that's why we're talking about the potential of severe weather, and these could become supercellular, which could cause a little bit of rotation. Damaging winds is the main threat. You guys see already up here in the area of Rome, West Virginia. There's been down trees and hail symbols up here. And if you look closer on here, you can see there is some red and green. So this is why I say we need to be very watchful. We got a storm north of Princeton, West Virginia. You got another storm developing near Blacksburg. This could affect Roanoke pretty quickly. So this is all stuff we got to watch out for this afternoon and evening. This will become more a robust line, also known as a mesoscale convective system. And that would be moving in probably in the next hour. After our next, when you roughly get past 3 o'clock, is when the action will pick up. And there's other issues further to the north. I just want to go to people that are friends of mine and probably friends of a lot of people's here that live up in Jersey, Pennsylvania area. So that's why we're going up there real quick. And you'll see these storms up here were rougher. We're talking about these storms will likely be possibly tornadic again. The supercell up near Williamsport, you can zoom in, already has shown signs of rotation. This will be a rough day again. Once again, pretty northeast. There's been tornadoes, potential tornado here, and Warren, Morris County, a potential tornado. We had waterspouts over Delaware Bay, tornado in Middletown, County. So anybody has people to the north, also let them know from D.C. north and Northern Virginia. So just a little bit to talk about. Meteorologist Dean Davison, please be safe. Have multiple ways to get warnings. Have a great day.